morning, my name is Prashant and I am from 4th Sem CSE Department of PH College of Engineering and Technology.
My name is Deep Mami. I'm from 4th semester Computer Engineering from PH College of Engineering and Technology. Now, let's talk about some facts and figures. Since 1950s, we have 9 billion tons plastics on Earth, and still it will take more than 1000 years to completely destroy it. Today we have more than 5 trillion tons microplastic on surface water, which not only affects the marine life, but it also has been included in the food cycles.
We can't ban plastic completely. The reason is that we don't have good alternatives for that, like medical injection, toy car, wafer packet, water bottle, etc. Then what is the solution? So basically, I don't see plastic as a problem. I see it as an opportunity to create too many things. Let me explain you. For example, the tiles we used in our home or school or offices, etc. And the household products like chairs, tables, mugs, bucket, basket, everything that is made of plastic, we can use it, the recycled plastic. Everything which we use in our household products can be made using the recycled plastic products. Among all these solutions, making the bitumen plastic road is a revolutionary idea by Dr. Rajgopalan Vasudevan. In India, for making a 1 kilometer of 2-lane road, we require 10 tons of bitumen. But if we use only 5 to 6% plastic in that road, that will less down 2 to 3 tons of bitumen in a 1 kilometer of single road. Yes, you heard it right. If we make a 1 kilometer of 2-lane road, then we need 2 to 3 tons of plastic. That ultimately means 1 million plastic waste or 10 lakh plastic waste. Yes, you heard it right. 1 million plastic waste can be used in single kilometer of road.
Let's take a look on plastic road model details. Plastics are of two types, thermosetting plastic and thermoplastic. Thermoplastic is again categorized in 4 types, LDPE, HDPE, PET and polymer. Plastic is a polymer and it binds with bitumen at 160 to 170 degrees Celsius. The steps are as follows. Construction granules are heated at 135 degrees Celsius and after that, plastic granules are added to it or mixed in it. After 10 to 15 minutes, plastic melts completely. And then bitumen at 160 to 170 degrees Celsius is mixed into the mixture, and then finally they bind up using a strong intermolecular forces.
Now let me give you the following edges that a plastic road have over the normal roads made from only bitumen. So the first one is that the road made up of bitumen plastic can carry the heavy load vehicle. Surprisingly, you will see no pits in the plastic road in the rainy season because plastic is a water repellent or water resistant. Also, you will get the low costing in road making due to the reduction of the bitumen proportion. Also, you will have no maintenance problem for that particular road before 10 years, and hence the lifespan of that road increases ultimately because plastic exists in our environment more than 1000 years of age. Here in this small video, you can see the houses made are completely from the waste plastic products. So you can see the quality of marble used in this house is completely awesome and fantastic.
Recycling of plastic obviously is wonderful.
Approximately 5 million plastic waste are used in this house construction, and that is the reason why it is 25% cheaper than the normal traditional houses. So here is the tiles design that is made from completely plastic waste. You can see the beauty and how awesome it is. So this type of pedestrian you can see at your garden area or at the roadside. It looks so awesome than the normal one. It also costs less than the normal ones. So here in this video you can see that this road is manufacturing of the plastic waste, that is a bitumen plastic road. So here you can see the process how this road is actually manufactured. As I have said earlier, that firstly, the construction gravels is heated up at 160 to 170 degrees Celsius, and then the finely particles of the plastic, that is plastic granules, is mixed with it. After a period of 10 to 15 minutes, this plastic gets completely melts up with this, and after that the bitumen is completely mixed into it. The bitumen and the plastic have good binding forces, so they mixed it up at 160 to 170 degrees Celsius and they form strong intermolecular forces. Thank you so much everyone for listening me, and at last I would like to say that we can also have a practical demo at our college. After the COVID-19 pandemic, we would be really glad to perform such things at our college level practically. So at last, thank you so much again.